here from OG Creations. Happy Pride to anyone who is celebrating our history, self-expression, and love this month. The third shirt in my Pride series is Neon Rainbow Galaxy. I start with a damp, black, 100% cotton tee and tightly gather the material using my fingers, creating little crimps or gathers. Once I'm happy with how loose or tight the material placement is, I flip the shirt over, repeating the same process, and secure it with multiple rubber bands. I then apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and let that process for about 25 minutes. I immediately soak the shirt in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution and let that set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I place it in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes before finally placing it on my dye racks and letting it set for 12 to 24 hours until it's practically dry. I often refer to the dyeing process on this shirt as dye painting. I love the way the colors fully saturate the shirt and blend, creating the swirly, galaxy-like effect. However, I am very cautious with the color placement when I'm dyeing shirts this way. You never want to mix your primary and secondary colors too much, or you'll end up with just a shit brown color, and after all the time and energy that you've already spent on the shirt, you don't want to ruin it. Once the shirt is filled with color, I leave it untouched for 24 to 48 hours. The shirt is then thoroughly rinsed in cold water, ran through the washing machine using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. The shirt's then dried, ironed, and my OGC logo applied. One of my favorites. Those neon colors just pop, and there's a richness and depth to the black. Everyone will want to get their hands inside the big black hole of your Milky Way when you're wearing this one. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.